The power hand drill, to many DIY enthusiasts, and other professional people alike, is so far one indispensable tool they can't do away with. The incredible nature of the tool has got people wondering and asking these two questions. What is the power drill made up of? And how really does the components come together to work? In this video, we are going to answer these two questions. But please, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon, if you haven't in order to stay notified anytime we release a new video. Now, let's dive into it. What is a power hand drill? A power hand drill is a versatile tool powered by electricity or batteries, designed to drive screws, bore holes, and perform various tasks with ease and efficiency. Basically, there are two types. We have the cordless hand drill, powered by a battery, which is a lithium-ion battery to be precise, and usually 18 volts. The other type is the direct opposite of the cordless drill. So what do you think it is? You're right. It is the corded type powered by electricity. But for the purpose of this video, we will focus much on the cordless type. The first and foremost component is the motor. At the heart of every power drill lies the motor, responsible for generating the rotational force needed to drive the drill bit. They can be brush motor or the brushless type. 2. The chuck. The chuck is the component that holds and secures the drill bit in place. It typically consists of 3 jaws that can be tightened or loosened using a key or, more commonly, a keyless chuck mechanism for quick and effortless bit changes. The third component is the gear train. Power drills utilize a gear train to transfer the rotational motion generated by the motor to the chuck at varying speeds and torque levels. This gearing mechanism allows users to adjust the drill's speed to suit different tasks, from delicate screw driving to high-speed drilling. Thanks for watching. Watch out for part 2 of the video. But for now, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to stay notified anytime we release a new video. Please like, comment and share the video as well.